Want to know how to enable or disable DND mode on your Samsung Galaxy A25? So, DND mode stands for Do Not Disturb. This mode will disable all of the notifications, calls, and every disturbing factor that can disturb you while doing something important. So, now, to enable it or disable it, we would need to swipe down 2 times, and here you can see this button which says Do Not Disturb. We can enable it by clicking on it and disable it by clicking on it once more. But also, if we will hold our finger on it, and here we can choose for how long we would like to enable it. We have options for 1 hour, 2, 4 hours, and until I turn it off. And by clicking on the button details, here we would be able to do some changes. For example, we can set here sleeping schedule and allow during Do Not Disturb. So if you're waiting for important call, you can just add the number here. And that's it. Thanks for watching.